guys, Joshua Peterson, Peterson Electric here. It is June 1st of 2019. I try to do one interesting video for you here a week. This is on an electric car charger. So right here, a lot of you guys call me and ask me if how much it is. We try to give a basis on per linear foot of what we got to pipe. Siding, of course, like this, even cement gypsy siding is easier to deal with than this brick. Sometimes this brick will chip. Surprisingly enough, this faux rock or brick is really sturdy when I drilled. But getting this through the wall and chase nippled through without cheating, getting that rigidly cut through and in and secured is very important. We've got this bent all the way, or straight all the way down. Curved into here with an LB, and then came in here and made up. It's a 40 amp. We did run 6 gauge on that, and we did an extra GFCI receptacle. I did pull 2 extra ungrounded hot conductors through that at 12 gauge with my neutral. And then this car charger was only 3 wire, not 4. So let's go look at that. So this is a Bolt car, okay? The car charger right here comes with these units. I already sealed this. It's a hardwired. Drill it through the back and anchor it. They would like to have a GFI switch down low for some of their equipment in here. So this will trim out. This is a 30 amp. Single pull or double pull, single throw disconnect. We use it in hot water heaters and small AC units. We'll go ahead and trim that out. Okay. And then put our GFCI receptacle right here. This has to be a disconnect within sight. A lot of the times I'll use an AC disconnect. They're good up to 30 or 50 or 60 amps or 100 amps. The problem is they're outdoor R3 rated, so their cover pops up. They wanted it to be flush to the wall, so I had to cut it open a little further and get a 4 square bracket box in there, and then I did an extension ring. A lot of you are wondering, how do I get this landed? Well, again, in my other videos, I use these Polaris connectors. I'll cut that back, wrap it up, put this on, then I'll stick on my 10 gauge right here. And I'll make a little pigtail to come to this 30 amp switch. And that's good up to 10 gauge inside of there. And so you're worried about, hey, it's not rated at an 8 gauge. Keep in mind that it is a short pigtail. The weakest link in the circuit will be the breaker or the switch, which is fairly common anyways. Once we get all that in there and made up, we'll go ahead and mud that, and it'll be a very nice clean look with a toggle and a GFCI. And yes, we did have enough box volume because I had a 4 square deep with another 4 square extension ring. And then in there, I put a Myers hub connector piece to keep it the rigid nipple, to keep that a smooth side right there, because you can't always catch it with a lock washer and then a plastic bushing. So you might have to waste a nice $12 Myers hub on that. Anyways, thanks guys for joining us. Nice flush look, disconnect, GFCI, extra circuit, and then we'll have an extra wire tied up in there. If he needs it, we can then nipple through the wall and cut in another outlet and give him another circuit if needed. And I like to always pull an extra circuit if I can, because maybe he needs a 2-pole 20 amp there. Thanks for joining us guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.